What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be changing this boring head unit to aftermarket one. This unit is outdated, the map sucks, and I got a radio sitting around from my 370Z, so I'm gonna put it on this car. I'm gonna make two videos, one just for wiring and one for the installation. This car has a factory backup camera, so that's gonna be fun, trying to retain that on the new radio. Well, let's get to work. First, we're gonna remove this piece right here. Next, we're gonna remove this screw right here. And this one right here. Those two screws. Once you remove those screws, you gotta remove this one down here and that one right over here. And this piece should pop down. Once you remove those screws, you pull from here. It should pop right open like that. Once you remove this piece, you gotta remove this piece right here. All you need to do is use a trim removal. Down here, it should pop right open. Just like that. Slowly pull it out. And their clips are all the way. There we go. Then you gotta remove the screws. Since we're changing the nav, we gotta replace this piece too. You can buy it on eBay or go to junkyard like I did and find one. But we gotta take this whole piece out. If you're just trying to change the radio, you still gotta remove this piece. There are 4 screws, I believe. One right here, one right here, one right there, and one right here. And this comes out, and there are a few screws underneath this piece. Then you can remove the radio. Once you remove those 4 screws, they should pop right open. And you gotta unplug the wires behind it. Be careful. So once you remove this piece, you gotta remove this screw right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There might be more. Let's figure out. So there are 8 screws total. They're right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you gotta remove this piece right here. Then this whole top piece will pop out. So this piece should pop right out. There's the piece. And now we gotta remove the screen, which I believe is only 2 screws up here. There are actually more screws at the bottom. If you look down here. Once you remove those 4 screws, this radio should pop right out.